Hey YouTube family, it's your girl Brittany and I'm back again with another video. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching my video. If fashion, beauty, and lifestyle is of interest to you, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you never miss a post. If you are already subscribing to my channel, I want to thank you guys so much for all the love you've been giving my channel over the past couple of months. First things first, don't forget to go ahead and connect with me on all social media platforms at I am Brittany CC. You can pretty much find me on every social media platform there is. Also, connect with my brand at Classified Beauty on all social media platforms. My website is classifiedbeauty.com. Alright, so in this video, it's pretty much going to be a really short video. It's going to be about press-on nails. I've stumbled upon another technique that, will enable you to have longer lasting press-on nails. So without further ado, let's get into this week's video. Okay, now let's take it back a little bit. A little backstory on my obsession with press-on nails. So, press-on nails for me is very convenient. I started using it when I was pregnant with my daughter, and I just could not take the smell inside of the salon, so I opted for press-on nails. After having her, I still continued to wear press-on nails because I was nursing and sometimes I just wanted to, take my nails off. I've pretty much been using the glue method for, these past 4 years to apply my press-on nails, and I'm gonna go ahead and link a video that I actually have of me giving you guys a tutorial on how to apply your press-on nails using the glue method. So go ahead, if you want to go to that video later on, I'll link it in the bio, and I'll also just put a pop-up preview of that video on this video as well. So like I was saying, I continued on, just wearing press-on nails. I thought it was super convenient, and then when, the pandemic happened and the world shut down, it was my go-to. I got to the point where I actually launched my own collection of press-on nails, and you can find them on classifiedbeauty.com. It's my Classified Beauty Claws collection. Go ahead and check that out. Now that's enough rambling on my part. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial. Now I did have to, do an entire different scene when it comes to recording this video for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of merge it into this video. So please enjoy, and I'll just go ahead and do like a voiceover or something, just explaining what I'm doing. As far as your nail prep and your cleaning of your nails, that I did off camera. I'm going to list a few of the steps I took before applying the nails. I'm gonna just go ahead and just pop it up on the side of this video. Feel free to go back to it to check it out, as well as check out my blog post, which will follow this as well with all of the information. Here's the list of items that you need. You will need an acrylic nail kit. This one in particular that I'm using is the Kiss brand. You'll need the press-on nails for the purpose of this video, I'm just using some sample press-on nails. You need paper towel, a flat surface. Here are the nail application steps. They're going to match each pair of nails by number or size. Dip acrylic powder in the acrylic liquid. Apply the combination to your nails. Quickly press on your nails to the top of the solution. Clean off excess acrylic. You're going to repeat steps 3 through 6 until all nails are complete. After you're done, you're going to wash your hands and moisturize your hands. Really quick, guys, this video is not about, my entire wardrobe, but while my face is on your screen, why not go ahead and tell you guys about my hair and makeup today. Really soft but glam beat today. Natural on the eyes, a little sparkle lip gloss, definitely a full beat on the face, highlight, contour, all that good stuff. I do have a YouTube video, which is a tutorial on how I achieve my full glam. I'm going to go ahead and link that to this video, as well as put a little preview on this video of that tutorial. So go ahead and check it out, guys. Next thing, my hair. You guys know my obsession or love for wigs. This is another unit that I made. You can find this and other units on my website. It's my Classified Beauty Crown collection, classifiedbeauty.com. Alrighty guys, so I want to thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. I really appreciate you guys. I am really trying to stay consistent on my channel, as I've said before, and you have no idea how much it means to me when you guys encourage me and just keep watching my videos. It really does encourage me just to keep going and keep creating content for you guys. So, thank you again, guys, and see you all in the next video. Bye!